GFM has 15 years of experience with optical 3D metrology. The most recent development implements an entire measuring head using a tiny smart camera, a compact processing device featuring a TI digital signal processor, and a tiny projection unit using TI Pico DLP technology. Digital phase measuring fringe projection provides 3D data with a much better accuracy than mere triangulation. GFM's compact ShapeSCAN 3D sensor unit communicates 3D data by a simple Ethernet interface. A powerful blue LED light source, together with an interference filter, makes the image acquisition robust against environment light. Three-dimensional surface structures are acquired at a very high resolution and accuracy and are available within a second. Combined with a conventional camera image, a measured sample can be reconstructed in its entirety at high precision. The three-dimensional shape of technical parts is acquired in a second. Instantly, the 3D image appears on the computer monitor. The camera image can be overlaid for a realistic reconstruction. This results in a deep and accurate reproduction of the 3D shape. An example application profiting from 3D acquisition is biometric or medical scanning of faces. The high accuracy achieved offers advantages in a large number of applications. Fast acquisition enables the digitization of body parts of human beings, where 3D shapes can be acquired at an accuracy even depicting single hand lines. The structure of embossed surfaces is reproduced in all detail. GFM's ShapeSCAN 3D is available with different fields of view and can be combined for multi-sensor applications using its simple LAN connection and its application programmer interface. The intelligent sensor can even be programmed to do entire inspection tasks on its own.